Hi, I'm Arundhati, and I've been working as a student developer with Fast Asia during this Google Summer of Code. In this video, I'll be showing you the newly implemented feedback system and a few enhancements to the existing 5-star skill rating system. So, as you can see, this is the SUSI Android login screen. So you have the following three options. You can, if you've not signed up for SUSI yet, you can sign up for SUSI using the sign up option. So this is the sign up screen. You can choose an email address that you already possess, and you can set a password, or you can even use custom server. So from here you can then sign up using this button, but now I won't be signing up. So the other option is you can choose to skip login, and this can be done using this skip option. And the third option that you have is to log in to the SUSI Android app if you have already signed up using your email address and if you have set a password. So I'll be directly logging in to this app this time. So here is my email address, and let's log in to the app. So I'm logging in. So we have logged into the app. Now we have to accept 3 simple permissions, which are the most basic permissions that we require for SUSI Android app. So this is my chat history with SUSI. So we can say, hi SUSI. So
Hi, I'm Susie.
right. So SUSI replies with the speech output. So let us tap the fab on the top. So this is a skill listing activity, as you might be familiar with already. And okay, so let's choose one skill. Say, let us choose farming. So now you can see that immediately as you open the skill, you saw this rating on the rating bar being updated, right? So this is the rating that I have actually submitted for this skill. So if you've not rated any particular skill, this rating bar would be blank. So this is an enhancement, and if I change the rating, like say if I change it to 4 stars, so you see that immediately the graph is being updated, and earlier when it was 3 for 5-star rating, now it is 2 for 5-star rating, and it incremented the 4-star rating from 1 to 2. So now the rating is immediately updated when you rate a skill. So okay, so let's move on. This is the feedback section, which is a new feature in the new version 1.0.10. So here you see the section where you can post feedback for a skill. So I would like to add a note, like if you don't log into the app, you won't see this section. You'll see just simply a message that is, please log in to submit feedback, right? So you can see that you can see only 3 feedback on this particular screen, and if you want to see all reviews, just click on see all reviews, and then you can see all the reviews by all the users who have actually submitted feedback for this skill. So moving back, let us rate some other skill which you've not rated yet. So we are now checking the distance skill. So let us submit feedback for this skill. Right, so okay, this is a helpful skill for us. So now we'll click post button. Okay, so skill feedback updated. Okay, so this was the distance screen. Now you can see that the feedback has been updated, and this is the feedback that we submitted, that we posted. Okay, so you can also see that we have not yet rated this skill. Actually, I have not yet rated this skill, and that is the reason why this rating bar is not showing any rating yet. So we can go ahead and rate the skill as well, say 3 stars. Okay, so you can see the ratings are immediately being updated. So once you have more than 3 feedbacks for a skill, you'll see an option that is see all reviews, as you could see in a skill where you had more than 3 feedback. For example, you had the news skill. So you have more than 3 feedback. That is the reason why you see all reviews option here. So okay, so this is the feedback submitted by all the users. Let's move back. So that's all. Please go ahead and submit your invaluable feedback, as this would definitely help us improve the existing skills. So now I would like to take you to the FOSS Asia GitHub page. So here's the URL, and this is the official page of FOSS Asia GitHub. So here you can find all the projects under FOSS Asia, and you can find the project of your choice, and you can start contributing to these projects as well. Then I would like to show you the SUSI Android repository, where you can find the code for your SUSI Android app, and these are the screenshots of the existing app. Here you can find the contributing guidelines and the best practices that we follow, and you can start contributing to this repository as well. Then I would like to show you the SUSI server repository. So this is actually where we have all the APIs that we use to implement the 5-star rating system, or maybe the feedback system. So say if we talk about the feedback system, so we have used the feedback skill service. So API that this is the API that we have used to implement post feedback system. And if we can see get skill feedback service, so this is actually that has been used to implement the display feedback feature. So you can even start contributing to SUSI server. So thank you.